Hey video editors, welcome to this video. In this video, I will share with you how you can make Ali Abdaal subtitles or text style that he used for every single short form he make, and some cool effects that you can use to make this text style. So without being said, let's get into our screen. So let's start with this example.
This book, Lifetime, it's really good.
So let's type the text. So as you can see, all of his shorts, the same text style, the same typing style for the text. So in this video, I will show you how to make this typing style. It will be hard to make it in Premiere Pro, but we can still make it in Premiere Pro, but it will be easier, and you'll have more tools, and it will be more professional to be in After Effects. Okay, and making the background like that with white color. Let's find some similar font to the font he used. Let's use this font. So what we want to make now is making this typing effect. So we will make two copies from the text. So because as you see in his videos, like it's text is like filling the text was exist before. So as you can see here, it fills the text, so it will less opacity in the first time, and after that the main text come and fill this color. So how to make this effect? Control D to make another copy. Okay, and after that we will go to this text here, go to animation, add position, go to range selector, just copy these parameters here. First making keyframe for the start, move it like that, and make the second one 100 like that. After that go to add and property and add opacity. First let's hide this layer here for the first text. Now let's see how it make. When we change the opacity, we just added here to 0. So
this book, Lifetime.
So you'll see now it's typing, but it's typing by the character, not by word. But as you can see his videos, it's typing by word. So we will go to advanced and change based on to be words. So you'll see here it start typing words. Now we have another problem, which is the smoothness, because it starts with this color and after that fill, but we need it more harsh. We don't need this opacity because we have this here. So we will change the smoothness to 0, so it will type this, it will make this typing effect.
This book, Lifetime.
Now it works. After that we will make this layer appear, and we will decrease the opacity to be like that. And after that it works.
This book, Lifetime.
So that is the same.
This book, Lifetime.
That is the same effect that he used to his videos. Let's see, but for sure there's different font, and maybe the background is more bigger, like that. Now we finished the animation and the text effects, but how we can make the next text? We can select the 3 texts here like that, and Control Shift D and move this up here. So this first one here,
this book, Lifetime, it's really good.
It's really good. Type. We will select this layer and Control C to copy, and select the second layer and Control V. So it will make the same thing, but for sure you will change the keyframes to be here. So it will.
Time, it's really good. This book, Lifetime, it's really good.
So that's how you can type more and more text.
It's really good. I listened.
Now there is maybe some, so this text may be shorter than the first one here, so you may change the size for the rectangle. And to change it, please don't move it like that and that, only changing the size from the right and left. And to make that, please press S from keyboard and delete this link here, and you can change it from here, so it looks like there is no difference between the position for the first one here and the second one.
It's really good.
So it's really smooth and looks good.
This book, Lifetime, it's really
So now I think we finished the main thing for the video. I want to make it a little more easy for you, because we've made all these effects and range selector and opacity in detail, but there's preset here and After Effects that make the same, makes the same typing effect. So let's get rid of this layer here. So to make the first layer, which has the much work and the much effects, we can just make another copy from this and increase the opacity. Now to make the typing effect with the easy way, you can go to effects here and search for fade up text or fade upwards. So you will see fade upwards here. You can drag it here and it works. Just change the keyframes.
It's really good. I listen.
Change it like that.
Time. It's really good. I listen. It's really good. I listen.
So that's our tutorial, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel and hit the like button. And for sure, if you have any questions about video editing, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to visit our website and link in the description. Thank you, and see you in the next video.